Want a free domain on Wix? I'll show a simple, legal method you can use. Quick note, Wix gives a free domain for 1 year with an annual premium plan. Step 1. Create a free Wix account or log into your existing account. Step 2. Upgrade to an annual premium plan that includes the free domain offer. Step 3. Open your Wix dashboard and click Settings, then Domains. Step 4. Choose Get a Free Domain and search for the domain name you want. If your domain is available, click Claim and follow the confirmation prompts. Now connect the domain to your site. Select the site, choose Connect Domain, and save. If Wix asks, verify ownership or update DNS settings as instructed in the dashboard. Remember, the domain is free for the first year. Renewal charges apply afterward. Tip: set a calendar reminder for renewal and enable auto-renew to avoid lapses. Ready to get yours? Sign up at Wix now and claim your free domain today.